Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here working on my All About That Base Junk Journal Challenge with Dear Julie. And I believe in my last video, I had started my Ready Ruffle, and I got that finished, and it's right at about 32 inches long, and I just used a variety of papers on it. And since then, let me get that put over there, I went ahead and made what I'm going to call my unusual journaling cards. And what it actually says, if I get rid of the word unusual, it says, if I can pull it out, with flip or fold. And because I'm making several of them, I didn't want to have too many varieties. So here's what I've done. I made some just simple folding journal cards with the collage all over them. Oop. Okay, and see here, I began running out of plain papers to be able to use for the inside journaling space. So I started decorating with some of my other plainer, non-printed papers. Here I actually used a little bit of paper that had print on it. But, so I made those. And again, there I used some music paper and just left the center part as journaling space. Okay, then the other kind I made was a two-fold. So you got the front, the back, open it up, and flip it out again. And I made some of those. And those will be, and all of those are made with book page bases and are now ready to be decorated. Here I actually used some printed paper. I thought it was light enough that it could be written on. And I did, where I had put down these papers, I did go ahead and ink around the edge of those papers just because it would be nigh on to impossible to do after they were down. So, those are my journal cards with a folder flip. Okay, so now the only thing I have left to do are the two snippet rolls. Julie actually calls one of them a band snippet that is 2 inches wide. She calls the other one a snippet roll. I'm viewing them as the exact same thing for purposes of what I'm doing. Now this is what I have left of a snippet roll I'd made a while back. And as you can see, I like lots of textures, lots of fiber trims, lace, stuff like that. So, and I did qualify with Julie that for this part, we cannot use any fibers in our collaging. So basically all paper collaging. And so this is, I've got book pages glued down. Here you can see where my book pages are glued. And again, I've got about 32 inches of book page glued down as the base. And here, all I'm going to do is, just like this, I'm just going to collage random papers down. I am going ahead and inking around the edges just to make it easier. And when I'm gluing them down, I'm just gluing them in the center. That way I can come back and tuck something else underneath if I choose to. And I'll be doing that. This is the 2 inch, but I'll be doing the exact same way on the 3 inch. Here I've already glued some down here. I'm not going to sew my snippet yet. This is the only thing I'm going to do for the base of my snippet roll, because when I go back to use it in a journal, I'm going to want to add more to it, whether it be stamps, whether it be fibers, fabric, lace, trims, anything that is allowed. If it's for a journal, anything that's allowed, and I just want a large variety of things in my snippet. So I will glue everything down. That 32 inches actually goes off the side of my desk, so I have to be careful. So I'm just going to glue stuff down just like that. And like I said, for now, I'm just leaving many of the corners unglued, so I can put stuff underneath it. Probably all of my fibers and stuff will actually probably go on top of this, but you never know. And then once I've got done what I want done, then I will go over and sew the top of it. So, really quick video. This will be my last video on making the bases. I am getting my second vaccine dose, so I've been trying to get videos ready in case I don't feel well. I'm kind of hoping that I don't, but anticipating that I may not feel great for a couple of days. So, that's it for now. Please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to everyone very soon. Bye-bye.